turbine for pressure let-down control, optimized electricity recovery. This control system will follow the variable low pressure steam demand while sending most of the high pressure steam through the turbine to convert its energy content into electricity. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा। If the plant's demand for low pressure steam is variable, it is desirable to send that variable amount of steam through a pressure reducing turbine and to recover its energy content in the form of electricity. On the other hand, one should not send more high pressure steam to the turbine than the amount of low pressure steam demanded by the process. These two goals can be converted into two control loops as shown in the figure attached. In this control configuration, the pressure controller serves to make sure that all low pressure steam users in the plant are always satisfied, because if the low pressure steam pressure drops, it opens up the turbine bypass to the high pressure steam header. If the low pressure steam users cannot tolerate superheated steam supply, the bypass has to be provided with a desuperheater. In other words, PRDS, pressure reducing and desuperheating. The task of the flow controller is to make sure that whatever happens to the low pressure steam demand of the plant, it is satisfied mostly by exhaust steam from which the excess energy has already been recovered in the form of electricity. The flow controller does that by keeping the flow in the bypass at some minimum rate and increasing the high pressure flow to the turbine as soon as the bypass flow starts to increase. The control configuration in figure shown can only be used when the load on the turbine is not determined by the process but is freely variable, such as in plants where the excess steam energy is utilized for the cogeneration of electricity. While energy conservation dictates that the flow through pressure let down or reducing line be minimized, control dynamics suggests that it should not be completely eliminated. This is because the speed of response of a reducing valve is much faster than that of a turbine. Therefore, the sensitive control of the low pressure steam pressure is provided by the pressure reducing controller, while the bulk of the steam passes through the turbine and is used to make electricity. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. बहुत जल्दी यह लेक्चर आपको हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध होगा.